Hello and welcome to our abbreviated edition of Prime Time Sports Saturday. And let's just start you off with news from track and field. Where else? In recent years, girls' champs would have already been decided at this time, while the boys' championships would have been close at this stage in the recent past. Well, it's the other way around this year, as Kingston College has all but dethroned the champions Calabar. While it's close between title holders Edwin and Heidel on the girls' side, the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships currently on at the National Stadium. Now at sports time, after 34 finals, Kingston College were on 321 points, followed by Calabar with 233 and Jamaica College 192. And after 38 girls finals, Edwin Allen lead with 226 points, with Heidel second with 214. Here are some highlights from day 5.
Set, away, and a good start from Brighton Senior. Also Wayne Pinnock of Kingston College is storming now. Wayne Pinnock has actually blown this field away. Rashid Broadwell tries to follow him. Wayne Pinnock on the outside now. Akeem Cargill. It's Akeem Cargill who's going to come through for second. Looks like a Kingston College 1-2. Wayne Pinnock steals a march on this field. We'll keep an eye on the clock. We'll keep an eye on the clock.
13:06 for Wayne Pinnock of Kingston College.
If that stands, Hubert, that will be another record. Bang, sent away, and a good start for Vashan Vassiana. Javel Granville of St. Jago has absolutely flown out of the blocks, but here comes Vashan Vassiana now. He is the class of this field. Keep an eye on the clock. Vashan Vassiana eases up and takes it, points across the line. His teammate Javel Granville also in a celebratory mood. Green and gold, St. Jago. And so that, for the second consecutive year, it's going to be another record for Vashan Vassiana.
Good start, great start by Nugent, first to hurdle number 1. Nugent, Morrison right beside her. Coming on as well as Williams of Heidel, but it's Nugent in the lead. Morrison tries to get back to her. Nugent wins her first Champs Gold medal. The record is gone again, 12.93. For the third year in a row, the Class 2 hurdles record is lowered. Anderson, Lee, and now Akira Nugent, 12.91. Champs record 3 times in a row.
I was out there, I was nervous, my heart was racing. I was even in the block shaking because I competed in the 100 meter yesterday and I was feeling a bit sore, so I didn't think I would come out here right now to make a record.
Now Tyrese Taylor begins to open those strides. So Blackman and Taylor goes back to the front. He's sprinting, an all-out sprint now. Tyrese Roden of KC also getting back into the picture. Here comes Kimar Farquharson of Calabar. Tyrese Roden, KC, some pushing and shoving. Tyrese Taylor beginning to pay for that early pace. Tyrese Roden on the outside. It's Tyrese Taylor, Kimar Farquharson, Tyrese Roden. All three, a blanket can cover them, ladies and gentlemen. It's a Kimar Farquharson who now surges to the front. He leaves Tyrese Roden and Tyrese Taylor behind. Kimar Farquharson, no mistake this time, 1:48.68. 1 minute 48.68. Since 1987, we have not seen a schoolboy run that fast, and the National Stadium erupts yet again. That is a record for young Kimar Farquharson of Calabar.
You were beaten at the Grand Prix final, even though you were expected to win, beaten by a record time at that. How did you readjust, refocus to grab this 32-year-old record?
Well, I stopped in the race for a reason why. So I just come back to show the crowd that I'm back.
Why did you stop?
I was feeling some pain, so I never really wanted to pressure my foot.